Uma Vincent H. Pala, beriu MP Lok Sabha, bulang haguju por Presiden jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, habakran sekilat thai kubor menta kesengi ulapan pau, ia ke Jingsokya ber ke Jingsong Bitar halor ke Jingbom Jingbit jangka Sorkar jela, ia ke Sang Kongres bandej Pynlong Jingialang ha Ustm, ber ke Jinglei kendu jong Nongilam ke Sang Kongres akari u Rahul Gandhi, ia ke samla pulih ke University ha ke Jingwan jongu syekni ke jela nen kesengi. Dak baulong bagini ke Jingbom Jingbit kala bandai na khubor district hari Bhoi lani kala bandai dak Jingbitha jong Sorkar MDA2 ban nomsha ya Sang Kongres bat kumju yong Nongilam jong Sang Kongres u Rahul Gandhi ban yekendu ya samla pule ha ke University dak baula ban rap bat ong banamar ya ke Sorkar jela Meghalaya lapanya dak bor jong BJP na Nongpoh Delhi. Uma Vincent H. Pala ulong ru bag Sorkar jela kam Jingbit bat kalakhang ya ke Sang Kongres banlej Pynlong Jingialang ha Ustm wat habaki bor jong ke Ustm kala Jingbit ya ke Sang Kongres ban Pynlong Jingialang hapo ke University jongki kene ke Pynlong ya ke Sang Kongres ban Bitar yaitu uba Vincent H. Pala.
Bring to the public about the issues of the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra which Rahul Gandhi has performed from Manipur up to Maharashtra, and yesterday he reached Meghalaya, so we had a meeting in Nongpoh. And number two is that we applied for permission for Rahul Gandhi to have an interaction with the students at the Ustm University, but that was denied. That Rahul Gandhi should not only meet the Congress workers, not only meet the civil society representative, not only meet the youth, but he should also meet the students and like-minded people at the Ustm. Why in Ustm? Because Ustm has a big hall which can accommodate up to more than 3,000 people. So the students were ready. Actually, the program is supposed to be at 8 o'clock, which is very difficult to get the students, but the students are supposed to be ready. But very unfortunately, the government led by NPP, UDP and the BJP here, they refused, they didn't give a permission based on silly reasons. Normally when we have a program in the university, if the university gives a clearance, NOC, then if we apply with that, we enclose and they give a permission because it's not an election campaign and the code of conduct has not started in the country. Therefore, a permission is required only for security and the NOC from the universities. So, very unfortunately, I think it shows that the government in Meghalaya has been directed by the BJP at the center as well as maybe from leader of the northeastern states. Therefore, every votes, every decisions where people give to a UDP or a NPP, it is for the BJP. Therefore, people should be clear in their mind. In the coming elections, whatever votes given to a non-Congress, it's for a BJP. This shows yesterday's they are scared of the Congress, and then unreasonably they have declined the admission or rather the permission for us. So very unfortunate. They are same together. So they same. It is one-to-one. It is the first and with the BJP only.
Do you condemn or not? Do you condemn or not the MDA government?
Yeah, definitely we should condemn why permission was not given to us. It's given to other parties. Why not to us?
So since the permission was not given, so are you planning to launch any agitation or anything?
No, we already have the program. We will not do. We believe that every dog has his day. Our days will come. Rejected our applications. They rejected and they don't give us permissions. See, Rahul Gandhi wants to go to a university not for political discussion but for interaction with the students. How to inspire the students. See, the intention of the Bharat Jodo Yatra is justice for youth, participations of the youth and the people also, and then he'll have interactions with different women, interaction with the farmers, interaction with the workers, interactions with different sections of people, the civil societies. So part of the program, like today we had interactions with the civil societies. Though they stopped us from Ustm, but we had interactions at the hotels with the students also. So at 8 o'clock the students came, and he also had interactions with the Northeast Congress Coordination Committee also today. So it did not stop us, but only it shows the mindset of the government in the state is controlled by the BJP, because the BJP is against the yatra of Rahul Gandhi. The BJP doesn't want Rahul Gandhi to connect with the people. The yatra, the purpose of the yatra is to connect with the people, listen to the people, and take the views of the people. And in that way, then we have an experience. In that way, then we can know what is the mindset of people. So when we be in the government, then we'll be able to deliver. And when we want to prepare a manifesto, then we'll be able to promise. So these interactions is not only in Meghalaya, and in Nagaland we are in opposition, in Manipur we are in opposition. Nowhere in the country who reject the permission, except Meghalaya as on today. So we have been all over. You see, yesterday the Jai Sri Ram team has done the marching right from Guwahati up to Meghalaya. They entered Banihat, another place. That a permission was granted or not granted by them, we don't know. But we as a disciplined party, we ask a permission. Otherwise, we don't need a permission for interaction with the students. Like today, we had interaction with the students. Where they didn't give us, we had interaction with students, because we don't need a permission for. But I think for law and order, I thought we should have it interaction. They refused, but we have done it. So same thing, this government, they want and they give a space for all those people. If you see in the YouTube, I've seen so many things. I met them personally also. They walk all around from Meghalaya to Assam. We don't mind. I mean, we have no problem for walking. But why not to them you grant a permission? Why not to us you don't grant a permission? This is very serious. The people of Meghalaya should think. I think the people should know also that this government is spineless, is controlled by the BJP in Delhi, and this government is spineless, is controlled by the leaders from Assam. This is what we could sense from the director of the Ustm, that lots of threats has been given to him. That's one of the biggest challenge which we have in the Northeast. Things have become, threatening has become towards our institutions, towards our people, towards our business communities.